Hey everyone, it's Carlos Ramos with Union Home Mortgage. My NMLS number is 460046, and it is a beautiful night out here in Florida. So guys, who wants a $2,000 credit, tax credit that is, for buying a home in Florida if you're a first-time home buyer? That's right. So if you're a first-time home buyer and you want some extra savings every year, you're talking $2,000 in your taxes, for buying a home. That's $166, a little over $166 every month back in your wallet. You can't beat that. So, guys, what this is, it's called a Mortgage Credit Certificate Program, okay? It's a federal tax credit program and not a tax deduction. So just remember that, okay? It's not a tax deduction, it's a tax credit, okay? So, I bet you're asking right now, do you qualify for it? Well, you know what? You may qualify for it. If you're a first-time home buyer, you definitely qualify for it, okay? Well, let me phrase that. I can't say not everybody qualifies for it, but there's some parameters to it, okay? So I'm going to be up and down here with my script, okay? So, I have a lot memorized in my head, but not everything, okay? Not always, so. Okay, so the MCC is a federal tax credit that you can claim when filing your annual taxes with the IRS. Okay, it is important to note that you must have sufficient tax liability to get this credit. If you don't have the tax liability to get it, you won't qualify for it, and your CPA will help you with that at the end. And as I qualify you for it, I'll know. Okay, there's a formula that we have to use to calculate, and there's 4 parameters to it. When we talk, if you're looking to buy a house and we discuss that, I'll be able to help you, okay? So calculate them out. You're talking mortgage loan amount, your interest rate, first year's interest rate, mortgage credit rate. There's a lot to it. There's a formula that I don't want to get too heavy into it. I would rather you and I discuss it, and then I can do the formula to see if you qualify for it. So, it's a great thing. That's why I'm on here now telling you a $2,000 tax credit. You can't beat that. That's $166 and I think 67 cents back in your wallet every month just for being a first-time home buyer, okay? So, now guys, the Florida Housing Mortgage Certificate Program here, MCC, tax credit should not be confused with any of the following, okay? This is not a down payment program. Okay, this is not a housing grant program, and this is not a mortgage loan of any type. This is just a tax credit at the end of the year. Okay, so let's just get that straight. So when you're going to buy a house, excuse me, don't think that you're going to get this at closing to help with closing costs and all that. You just get credit at the end of the year, okay? And like I said earlier, there's 4 qualifications to determine if you're eligible. The main one is first-time home buyer, okay? So guys, what's the definition of a first-time home buyer, okay? Because I want to get this out there clear, what the definition is, because there's a lot of people that owned houses years ago and probably said, well, I owned a house, now I don't qualify anymore. Wrong, okay? So the definition of a first-time home buyer is a person who has not owned and occupied their primary residence within 3 years, okay, of the projected closing date. So guys, if you owned a house 5 years ago and sold it, 5 years ago, guess what? You're a first-time home buyer again. That means you qualify for this product. You may qualify for this product, okay? So there are some exceptions to the qualifications when it comes to first-time home buyer in regards to VA. Hey, Olga, how you doing? Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. So that's one of the exceptions. And also, borrowers who are looking to purchase in a home located in a HUD designated targeted area, that's an exception as well to the rule of the first-time home buyer rule, okay? The other thing too is, believe it or not, a first-time home buyer can be somebody that actually owns an investment home and a vacation home. And the reason why I say that is because I've had clients, say from New England, buying a house here, but they're renting up in New England. So technically they don't own a house, New England or any other state, but they bought a vacation home here in Florida or a second home. So they're still a first-time home buyer, believe it or not. So you may fit the case here as well. You probably purchased years ago an investment home or second home, have it rented out, and you bought a house here, and now you're here in Florida. So just remember that this is for the whole state of Florida. I do not do any other states, just Florida, okay? So, and plus the exception to the rule is awesome. So, to the first time home buyer, if it's a military, okay? So, that's good stuff. All right, so guys and gals, my name is Carlos Ramos. I am a loan officer with Union Home Mortgage, and I would love to earn your business out there, okay? So, if you know a friend or family member that you may think, may qualify for this, or they may be thinking of buying a house, and you think this information is useful, please share this information with them, tag them and share it, okay? Please like and follow my page. And if you're watching this live, please put a comment below 1. And if you're watching the replay, and I know I should have said that at the beginning because I'm almost done. So saying it live now, probably, oh well. So if you're watching the replay, I want to see you guys put hashtag replay in the comments below, above, wherever you're watching this and wherever you're reading it, okay? So like I said, please like, share, and follow. Sharing is caring. I appreciate your time in watching this. And I look forward to talking to you guys tomorrow. I'll have another topic for you guys. So I hope you guys like this. $2,000 tax credit if you're a first-time home buyer buying a house. So let's get you into a home. So that's another benefit. Don't wait. It's a great time to buy. Rates are awesome right now. So let's get you going, okay? Guys, talk to you soon. Hey, Lisa, how you doing? Thanks for joining. So talk to you later. All right? Bye now.